XRP holders, this is an urgent message, so please stay with me through the end. XRP burn is coming, so analysts urge you to avoid cashing out your XRP tokens. But why is this the case? Let's find it out here today. Welcome to Crypto Live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. Would this be the biggest crash of all time? Is the economy in a state of collapse? Keep watching to find out how all of this relates to XRP and why you shouldn't cash out. Rosie Rios, a former U.S. Treasury Secretary, says the principal objective of Ripple is to facilitate cross-border payments. Further, XRP has been described as a store of value and a means of a trade by Rosie Rios, a Ripple board member. Of course, if she invests in a crypto asset or if she invests in a crypto company, that isn't compliant. She could tarnish her reputation. As a result, she knew exactly what she needed to do when she joined Ripple. In response to the Biden administration's request to Congress that it regulate the rapidly growing segment of the cryptocurrency market, the Senate Committee on Banks and Currency is now asking stablecoin issuers if they can provide information on how they operate. According to the Senate Banking Committee Chairman, Sherrod Brown, stablecoin issuers and crypto exchanges are required to explain how they protect consumers and investors in what has grown to a $143 billion market. The stability coins, or stablecoins, are cryptocurrencies linked to government-issued currency, such as the U.S. dollar, and they account for a small percentage of the $2.6 trillion markets for cryptocurrencies. As the Tether bubble bursts, the committee sent letters to stablecoin Tether requesting information regarding its backing redemption process and activities. Even though disruption is expected in the crypto world, it is said that there's no need to worry because everything will return to normal sooner or later. As XRP makes a comeback, an article from the Economic Times was titled "Need an Indian Alternative to Swift Payment System, Parliamentary Committee." Moreover, several parliamentary committees are looking into the Personal Data Protection Bill of 2019, which urges India to develop an alternative payment system to SWIFT. So why is this necessary? By doing this, we will improve the security of domestic financial information and boost the economy simultaneously. A new banking system similar to Ripple from the USA, Instex from the EU, and other similar systems have been recommended by the group. Thus, you must understand the scale of XRP. Therefore, it can clearly be said that XRP is an alternative to SWIFT. Founded in 1973, SWIFT stands for the Society of Worldwide International Financial Telecommunication. In more than 200 countries and territories, its messaging platform, products, and services are used by more than 11,000 banks and securities organizations, market infrastructures, and corporate customers. Moreover, Ripple has worked tirelessly to make the use of XRP a reality, and the digital asset has been developed by Ripple and XRP. When Citigroup CEO Jane Fraser said at a conference that digital assets will be part of the future of financial markets and financial services, it all made sense. Decentralization, digital assets, cryptocurrencies, and other topics were discussed during a larger discussion about Citigroup employees returning to the office. Further, Fraser said, "It's clear that digital assets will get part of the financial services and financial markets. Real-time payments are both in the sense of they're frictionless, they'll become more global, they'll become ubiquitous. They will be here in the near term, and digital currencies may be part of that future." Following the abandonment of its Citicoin cryptocurrency experiment 2 years ago, Citi announced that it was considering providing clients with cryptocurrency-related services, such as trading, custody, and financing. According to Fraser, now is a good time for the bank to proceed with care and caution. There is still a lot of questions about how the space evolves around regulatory clarity, some scalability, certainly some transparency, and making sure that there are the appropriate guardrails in the system, particularly for our retail clients. We don't want them participating in areas that we know they're not necessarily as well equipped to understand the risks of. Furthermore, Citi is currently working to connect clients with wallets to enable businesses and corporations to accept payments from the consumers. However, Ripple tweeted, "Real-time payments are gaining momentum, and hashtag digital currency is positioned to play a significant role in its future." Read on to see what others like Citigroup's CEO had to say. Can you fill in the blanks? Certainly, the crypto that they are going to collaborate with could be Ripple's XRP. Moreover, it is not the first time that all of this was hidden from public view. And now let's look first at its performance as we approach the month of December. In terms of price and volume, the current price of XRP is 97.4 cents, and the current 24-hour volume is $2.89 trillion. And there has been a 5.24% increase in XRP over the last 24 hours. With a market capitalization of $45.9 trillion, based on CoinMarketCap, it's currently ranked number 7. As Ripple's price has risen, it has retested the psychological level of $1, a much more difficult level to break, making the upswing of the coin much less straightforward than that of BTC and ETH. Consequently, investors should monitor the price of XRP and its performance around this level. It will be necessary to close above this level daily to confirm the bullish trend and lead XRP to reaching $1.10. It would be necessary for it to breach this level to reach the next important level, which is $1.37, the midpoint of the trading range. Also, the remittance token may slow down after $1.37, but investors should monitor $1.20 and $1.25 as potential support and resistance levels. Although there has been some bullish movement in the cryptocurrency market lately, if Ripple price fails to move above the dollar resistance level, it will mean that buyers don't want to push XRP higher. Meanwhile, the bullish thesis will be discarded if the bears can push the XRP price down so far that it reaches a lower low, below the range low at 85 cents. Although we might be experiencing a downtrend in the market, don't cash out just yet. Instead of investing in real estate, metals, stocks, and assets. Although our bank accounts may be frozen, we will be out of the system for the lion's share of the time. Now that we're in charge, secure your assets and save money. XRP, on the other hand, seems to be the only digital asset that can work with banks and is suitable for that purpose. And Ripple's global reach seems to be expanding. With its on-demand liquidity solution, Ripple bridges the gap between the various banks around the world, and it has grown rapidly in Asia Pacific. We contend that the US dollar and other fiat currencies are in a bubble, and the rest of the world is simply reacting to the hyperinflation. The IMF, or the World Economic Forum, will likely intervene, and a new global currency will enter the market. And XRP may be that currency. In the cryptocurrency industry, the majority of cryptocurrencies do not provide the utility that XRP tokens do. Moreover, most cryptocurrencies are likely to lose their advantage over XRP tokens as a result of central bank digital currencies. In any case, Ripple remains a payment provider that transfers value using its XRP tokens. In turn, with more transactions taking place on the Ripple network and the company signing additional agreements with global payment giants, XRP's value will rise. Will you create the currency from scratch, or will you choose one that works well and has proved to be the best time and time again? It has also proposed a regulatory framework to govern cryptocurrencies. It is centered around several key areas, such as ongoing public-private collaboration between governments and crypto industry companies, adherence to existing regulations, and pending crypto-specific legislation before Congress, as well as the creation of incubators where crypto startups can become part of this policy framework. Unless this is a preparation for the post-settlement situation with the SEC, we may ask why the regulatory framework is being presented now. Ripple likely wishes to establish a clear glide path so that it can carry on with its operations in the future, so a settlement may be reached soon. And as the saying goes, timing is everything, and the proposal for Ripple's regulatory framework couldn't come at a better time. In any event, this strategy means that the SEC court case is in the public eye, potentially forcing the SEC to come to a settlement. Ripple and XRP holders would almost certainly benefit from a resolution. Furthermore, this could push the price of XRP to $500 in a few years. With this said, I would like to remind you that cryptocurrency prices frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it may have changed to an entirely different value. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.